Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show how to get voice chat on Roblox. Let's get started. Open your Roblox account and open more option. Now see, open your Roblox settings and open security. Now see, there is no option follow my next step. There is no option. Now see, help and support, help and safety. So, open help. Now search voice chat. Open voice chat. Scroll down. Now open need more help, contact support here. Okay. Now first username, your Roblox username. Next first name, optional. Now your email address. What device are you? Have a problem? Android phone. Type of help category, technical support. Now describe your issue. Hello Roblox team, Roblox voice chat option not showing. Please enable this as soon as possible. Thank you. This video helpful. Please subscribe my channel.